Scan complete. Looks good.
Data recorded. We can move this one to the healthy pen.
Scan confirms no infection. This one is clear for the next stage.
Updating the digital records now.
We take every measure to ensure the animal's comfort and safety during the journey to the plant. The temperature logs and swab tests confer full compliance with Section 4 of the guidelines.
Understood. I will update the report.
The molecular analysis shows 0 contaminants.
Data confirms safety standard 4.2 met. Approved for processing.
Our automated systems ensure fast, orderly, and humane care for all dogs, exceeding current industry standards.
Humane and controlled treatment is being given to the laboratory mice. An automated system is being used.
Introducing our special washing system. Using hot water and steam, it effectively reduces bacteria, ensuring total food safety.
A special washing system is introduced for cleaning the skin. Hot water and steam are being used.
Pork is graded according to standard. Color, texture, and fat content are verified through sensors.
The temperature is controlled in the pork processing area. Pork is being preserved in a cold environment. This
The temperature is controlled in the pork processing area. Pork is being preserved in a cold environment. This reduces bacterial.
The temperature is regulated in the pork processing area. Pork is stored in a cold environment. This reduces bacterial growth.
This loin shows signs of spoilage. The color is off.
Confirmed. Remove it to the red container.
Pork orders are being prepared for retailers and supermarkets. Packs are selected according to need. The
Bring it all the way to the back left. We need room for the next shipment.
Got it.
Large quantities of pork are delivered. The quality remains unchanged.
Look at these chops. They look perfect for the grill tonight.
They really do. Let's grab a pack.
Yes, this one looks just right. I'll take it.
Excellent choice.
Is this the locally sourced pork?
Yes, ma'am. Delivered fresh today.
Excellent. It looks perfect.
pork processing waste is separated using environmentally friendly methods. The byproducts are recycled, significantly reducing pollution.
From our high-tech farms to automated processing centers, we utilize the latest technology. Our commitment to safety.
From our family farms, where animal care is paramount, to our state-of-the-art facilities, we ensure safety and quality at every step.